Okay, look at this equation. Took a good look at it. I don't know why I laughed. Let's find the x-intercept for this equation. Now remember, the x-intercept is going to be at a value. Well, the x-intercept is whenever the line crosses the x-axis right here. So it would be the x-intercept for this line would be that right there. And when that happens, y is going to be equal to 0 because it's just on the x-axis. So y is equal to 0 at an x-intercept. So for this equation, we can set y to 0. We're going to set y to 0, and 5 times 0 is going to be equal to 0. So we're going to have 0 plus 3x equals 7. Or we could just get rid of this 0 right here. And what we can do is just divide both sides by 3. We divide both sides by 3. We're going to get x right here, because these cancel out. And this is going to be 7 over 3. So the x-intercept is going to be at 7, 3, comma 0. 7, 3, comma 0. That's where that x-intercept for that equation is going to appear. But what about this equation up here? 7x minus 2y is equal to 4. Let me remove this right here so I can have some space. I'm currently on the floor. Okay, so 7x minus 2y is equal to 4. What is the x-intercept for that? Well, again, what we have to do is find where x intersects, where the line intersects the x-axis. And when that happens, y is going to be equal to 0. At an x-intercept, y is equal to 0. So we can set y to 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So we're going to be left with 7x is equal to 4. We divide both sides by 7. This cancels out. And we're left with x is equal to 4 over 7. So the x-intercept for this equation is going to be 4 over 7, comma 0. That's where the line is going to intersect the x-axis. The x-axis. So what about this one? Let's find the y-intercept for this equation. 9 equals 10y minus 4x. Well, at a y-intercept, that's the point at which the line crosses the y-axis line. So it's going to be at that point right there. And at this point, x is equal to 0 because we only have a y value. We're only in the y values. So at a y-intercept, x is going to be equal to 0. So we can set x equal to 0 right here. And this is going to be, this whole thing right here is going to be just 0. So we're going to go down to 9 is equal to 10y because this 10y because this is going to be equal to 0. And we divide both sides by 10. These will cancel out. And we'll be left with 9 is equal to 9 over 10. 9 over 10 is equal to y. So the y-intercept for this equation is going to be x is equal to 0 and y is 9 over 10. That's the y-intercept for this equation. All right, Saints, cool.